Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Today I'm going to be doing a quick English grammar lesson involving prepositions. Prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is something that connects two objects, and it involves a place or a location between those two objects. So, if you want to talk about prepositions, on, at, in, by. Those are some common prepositions. How do you use those? So, the lamp is on the table. The lamp is on the table. So, you see how they're connected? The lamp is located on the table. That's where it is. So that's when you use on, okay? If you're going to use the word at, we are waiting at the airport. We are waiting at the airport. So, obviously, the place that you are waiting is at the airport. You're waiting for your flight. So, that's when you would use the word at. If you're going to use the word in, they are in the house. They are in the house. So, where are they at? They're inside. They are in the house. Okay? If you're going to use the word by, where is somebody at? Okay? She is having a picnic by the lake. She is having a picnic by the lake. So, where exactly is she having her picnic? It's by the lake. Okay? So those are some common prepositions, and that's how you use them. So stay tuned. I got some more tutorials, some more English grammar lessons that you can watch as you're eating lunch or on the run, and you can get better at your English. So stay tuned. Thanks. I'm out.